Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Audi R8 5.2 Quattro. This two-door coupe has a 10-cylinder, 5.2-liter V10 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a steal with less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, and power windows.